The Pittsburgh Steelers approached the season with fresh energy after adding Hall of Fame quarterback Aaron Rodgers, building on their streak of 21 straight winning or even campaigns. Matching this optimism, Nike is set to launch the Shox TL Steelers, a sneaker designed with the city's black and gold pride in mind. Its black base is elevated with gradient yellow details on the sidewalls and a bold swoosh, while piston-powered cushioning delivers comfort and performance. Priced at $180, the release comes just in time for the NFL season, crisp autumn air, and game day excitement. Like the team's outlook, the shoe blends tradition with modern flair, making it both a style statement and a nod to loyal fans. More than footwear, it symbolizes momentum, resilience, and pride that fuel Pittsburgh on and off the field.